Today, we'll explore 10 evidence-based strategies for effective weight loss. Unlike fad diets or quick fixes, these methods are supported by scientific research and are proven to help people lose weight safely and sustainably. Number 1. Prioritize whole, nutrient-dense foods. Studies consistently show that diets rich in whole foods like vegetables, fruits, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats promote satiety and support long-term weight loss. These foods are generally lower in calories and higher in fiber and essential nutrients. Choosing nutrient-dense foods helps you feel fuller for longer while fueling your body with what it truly needs. Instead of focusing on restriction, shift your mindset toward nourishment and quality. Number 2. Control portion sizes. Portion control is a powerful tool. Research shows that people often underestimate calorie intake. Using smaller plates, measuring portions, and being mindful of hunger cues can reduce calorie consumption without feeling deprived. Eating slowly and stopping when you're about 80% full can help prevent overeating. Awareness is key. Track your habits until healthy portions become second nature. Number 3. Increase physical activity. Regular exercise boosts metabolism, preserves muscle mass during weight loss, and supports overall health. The CDC recommends at least 150 minutes of moderate-intensity activity per week, combined with strength training twice weekly. You don't have to start big daily walks, cycling, or home workouts can add up quickly. Find an activity you enjoy, so it becomes part of your routine, not a chore. Number 4. Get enough quality sleep. Sleep plays a critical role in hormone regulation, appetite control, and metabolism. Studies show that individuals who sleep less than 6 to 7 hours a night are more likely to gain weight or struggle to lose it. Sleep affects hormones like ghrelin and leptin, which control hunger and fullness. Aim for consistent sleep schedules and limit screen time before bed for better quality rest. Number 5. Manage stress effectively. Chronic stress can elevate cortisol levels, which may increase cravings and fat storage, particularly around the abdomen. Mindfulness practices, meditation, and regular physical activity can help manage stress and improve weight outcomes. Even short breathing exercises or a daily 10-minute walk can reduce stress levels. When stress is managed, it's easier to make clear, health-focused decisions. Number 6. Eat more protein. High-protein diets are shown to increase feelings of fullness, reduce appetite, and preserve lean muscle during weight loss. Including quality protein at each meal can make a significant difference. Good sources include eggs, fish, beans, tofu, and lean meats. Protein not only curbs hunger, it helps maintain energy and supports body composition. Number 7. Limit added sugars and refined carbs. Research links excessive sugar and refined carbohydrate intake to weight gain, insulin resistance, and obesity. Replacing them with whole grains and naturally sweet foods helps stabilize blood sugar and reduce cravings. Read nutrition labels and be mindful of hidden sugars in sauces, snacks, and drinks. Swapping soda for sparkling water or fruit juice for whole fruit can make a big impact. Number 8. Stay hydrated. Drinking water before meals can reduce appetite and increase metabolism slightly. Dehydration is often mistaken for hunger, so staying well hydrated supports better food choices and energy levels. Aim for at least 8 cups, 2 liters, of water daily, more if you're active. Adding lemon or cucumber can make it more enjoyable and encourage consistent hydration. Number 9. Track your progress. Keeping a food diary, using apps, or monitoring weight regularly helps increase awareness and accountability. Studies show that self-monitoring is one of the strongest predictors of successful weight loss. Tracking helps you identify patterns, triggers, and areas for improvement. It's not about perfection, it's about learning and staying consistent. Number 10. Build a support system. Whether through a coach, group, friend, or healthcare provider, social support enhances motivation and consistency. Behavioral research shows that those with accountability are more likely to sustain weight loss long-term. Sharing goals with others builds encouragement and resilience. Even small check-ins can reinforce habits and keep you focused during challenges. These 10 evidence-based strategies can create a powerful foundation for lasting change. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.